What would happen if a former president was found guilty of charges that may have influenced a presidential election? In a historic event, the 45th President of the United States, Donald Trump, was found guilty of 34 counts of falsifying business records. These charges were related to the payment of $130,000 in hush money intended to influence the outcome of the 2016 presidential election. It's certainly a historic moment, but what led to this landmark verdict? The road to this verdict was paved with intense scrutiny and litigation. It all started with allegations surrounding a hush money payment to porn star Stormy Daniels. The $130,000 payment became the center of a historic courtroom saga. The significance of the payment went beyond its monetary value. It was intended to influence the outcome of the 2016 presidential election. As the case escalated, it attracted national attention, and the trial attracted both widespread media attention and controversy. For 4 busy weeks, the courtroom was abuzz. 22 witnesses testified, adding further elements to a complex story about efforts to suppress negative coverage of then-candidate Trump during a crucial election campaign. These statements painted a vivid picture of how a wide-ranging strategy was used to influence public perception and affect the election outcome. The jury's decision marks the beginning of a new chapter in American jurisprudence and politics. How will this ruling further impact American politics after the gavel falls? The conviction of a former president is unprecedented in U.S. history. It sets an important precedent and underscores that even the highest office in the country is not above the law. This could lead to increased scrutiny of politicians after they leave office and different punishments for future misconduct. For the Republican Party and the broader political landscape, the implications could be profound. The ruling could trigger a shift in party direction and policies, especially if party members distance themselves from controversies or align more closely with them, depending on their political strategies. Meanwhile, Donald Trump's plans to appeal the ruling bring further complications. The appeals process will not only thrust the case into the public eye, but will also test the resilience and integrity of the U.S. judicial system. How this unfolds could affect public trust in legal and political institutions. The ramifications of this ruling will likely reverberate for years to come as the United States grapples with these issues. Join our community of informed citizens, subscribe to your daily dose of news, and be part of the conversation.